How to create talking fruits using free AI tools. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create this trending fruit that is all over social media, where you make different kinds of fruit to talk and say what you want to say. People are cashing out from this trend right now, and don't miss this trend. Before I go further, watch this video to see what I'm going to be teaching you.
Hello, I am Mango, sweet, juicy, and full of sunshine. Come dance with me in the farm. Hi friends, I am Strawberry, small, bright, and super sweet. Let's have some berry fun.
Yo, I'm Pineapple, spiky outside, sweet inside. Let's groove in the sunshine.
Why, Watermelon, big, juicy, and super refreshing. Catch me if you can.
Hey, I'm Banana, smooth, funny, and full of energy. Let's slide into fun.
Hi my love, my name is Chigozie, and on this channel I teach animation, that is how to create animation using different tools. Okay, if this is what you like, do well to subscribe to my channel and also comment on this video the next AI tool I'm to be teaching you. Okay, let's dive in and get started right away. You are going to head over to your ChatGPT. If you are using ChatGPT for the first time, you are going to sign up. Okay, then you drop this prompt: give me 5 motion prompts with different talking fruits, same style like this prompt. It's not a must it will be 5. You can tell chat to give you 2, 10, 20, 15, 6. It depends on how many characters or videos you want to create. Okay, so when you tell chat that, you step down, then you paste the main prompts. Remember I said talking fruit, same style like this prompt. That is the prompt I just pasted now. If you need this prompt, comment fruit prompt at the comment section and I'm going to be sending you this prompt immediately. Okay, all right, I'm going to send this prompt to ChatGPT. As we wait for chat to give us this prompt, let us read what I have here. I wrote, give me 5 motion prompts with different talking fruit, same style like this prompt, a cute anthropomorphic with, in brackets, fruit name with big expressive eyes, and so on. I will not go further to read this because this is long. Just let me know if you need this prompt. I will send it to you. Just drop fruit prompt at the comment section and I'm going to reply you with this prompt. Okay, so ChatGPT has given us the prompt for the characters. We can see we have talking mango, talking strawberry, talking pineapple, talking watermelon, talking banana, and that. Okay, we're also going to go further to say something. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT include the voiceover script. Of each character. Okay, you can see what chat did here. Chat will give us the prompt first, that's the image prompt first. Then under the image prompt you will see the voiceover prompt, that is voiceover script, that is what the character is going to be saying. Okay, so once you are done creating this, we are going to head over to the next AI tool we are going to be using to generate the animation. It's advised that you should copy every of your prompts and paste it in your phone notes just in case you need it next time. I'm going to copy the first prompt together with the script. Copy. We're going to be heading over to the next AI tool. Okay, the next AI tool we're going to be using is called Grok AI. I have made several videos about Grok AI and how to use it to make different kinds of animation. If you want to learn more about Grok AI, scroll through my channel and you're going to see different videos I have made about Grok. Watch them and you will learn a lot about them, because in this video I'm not going to be going in details to explain Grok AI for you. Okay, because I've done that in my previous videos. When you come to Grok AI, if you're a first time user, you're going to sign up. All right, when you sign up, come over to this place, select imagine, then come over here, click here and select video, because if you select image, you are going to be creating only image. You can choose to select aspect ratios. It depends on what you want to use the video for. Okay, if it's for YouTube shorts or Instagram reels or Facebook reels or TikTok video, you go with this first aspect ratio. But if it is for long form YouTube videos, you go with this one here. Okay, and I am going to be using mine for YouTube long form video. So let me go with this one in this second one. All right, so I'm going to paste the prompts that we copied from ChatGPT here. Then I'm going to click on this arrow here to send the prompts. Grok AI is currently creating our video, and when Grok is creating your video, you have to wait for a while. It is going to be reading here. Okay, sometimes if you're a first time user on Grok, when you click on imagine and upload your prompt, or when you upload an image, it's going to automatically start creating video for you without you giving it a command. That is why I said that you should check my previous video so that you can watch how to stop Grok AI from automatically creating video for you without you giving it a prompt or a command. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Our video is ready. Let me play the video.
Hello, I am Mango, sweet, juicy, and full of sunshine. Come dance with me in the farm.
This is beautiful.
Hello.
I'm going to save this video. Click on this download icon here and you save your video. Okay, we are going to go back to the ChatGPT, copy the next prompt, come back here and do the same thing that we did. All right, I'm going to go back to the first place that we landed. You click on that arrow, you go back. So I'm going to paste the second prompt now. We have got the first video. I'm going to paste second prompt now. Click on this arrow here and it was generating. Okay, Grok AI is totally free, but it has limit. There are some limit that you can use to create your video and you exceed your free limit. And when that thing happens, you wait till the following day or you log out and log in using a different email address for you to continue your generation. You can see our video is ready.
Hi friends, I am Strawberry, small, bright, and super sweet. Let's have some berry fun.
This is beautiful. Okay, if you found this video useful and interesting, do well to like this video, drop comments on the next AI tool you want me to teach you about, and also subscribe to my channel to watch more animation tutorials. Okay, all right, this is how you're going to keep generating your videos. Just paste the prompts, copy and paste until you are done. In the next part of this video, I'm going to show you how to join this video together using editing tool. I am done generating my animated characters. So the next thing is to head over to, we're going to join the characters, the videos together. And I'm going to be using InShot app. You can use CapCut, but I want to use InShot. I'm going to click on InShot. Click on video, click on new. Okay, I'm going to select on the videos that I created. All right, and I'm going to select all of them. I can select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click on this good icon that is green color here, and this is it. Let's play our video.
Hello, I am Mango, sweet, juicy, and full of sunshine. Come dance with me in the farm. Hi friends, I am Strawberry, small, bright, and super sweet. Let's have some berry fun.
Yo, I'm Pineapple.
So you can also choose to increase the volume by you select the video, select the volume icon here, this volume, drag it to 200, then click on this double tick by the left hand side, click on apply to all. So the volume of all of them have been increased. This is how to create talking character. Sorry, talking fruit character, I mean to say. When you are done, you click on this arrow up here and you save your image. Sorry, and you save your video. I'm sorry for that. Okay. Hi, my love. Now that I've done watching this video, do well to like, comment, and subscribe. And also see you in my next tutorial. Bye.